Guys, it's the first time I get a chance to actually film in Michigan, which is super exciting. I know you guys have been waiting for a video to come out while I've been up here. And in this video, I have a goodie bag of some products we're going to be taking and using and all of that because it's been a really fun time. I've actually gotten to use a little bit of the products I got already on this trip, but I want to give you guys a little bit of information, a little bit of insider knowledge that nobody else should know. So shh, secret, right? I might be moving to Michigan soon, very, very soon, because it looks like after the dispensary tours and everything, we might be getting a dispensary. Now, I'm not going to jinx anything, I'm not saying anything's definite, but it looks like we found a property that is very suitable for a candidate. We really, really are interested in it. The people we met are fantastic up here, and yeah, I'm super excited for it, but that's all I can tell you for now. So we're going to get on to the next segment, I guess we could say. What did I get? So just give me a second. Guys, so the first thing we have here is a 710 Labs. This is their live rosin pods. This one in particular is their Banana Punch number 4, which is a banana OG crossed with a purple punch. If you guys don't know, these pods are super fire. 710 is one of the best manufacturers of concentrates on the market, period. They are fantastic over there. They do a fantastic job. I've heard their flour is really good too. I used to love dabbing on their stuff, but these pods right here, this live rosin pod, I have been chiefing on it. We're almost out of it. I can guarantee you, like, it's almost empty. I know you guys might not be able to see it, but there's like a little bit just left in there. So let's go ahead, get a rip. Cheer. It's so good, guys. It has this nice flavor. You get the banana a lot. You taste like that nice, like, kind of, it's not a banana taste, but like almost banana peel taste, right? And then you get this kind of light, slight, ever so slightly punch and purpley notes, like the linalool, that lavendery taste in there. So this overall, really solid. I mean, 710, you guys always knock it out of the park. This gives like a nice euphoric, really strong, like, body high. It's relaxing. You guys know I love rosins. So now it's, I guess, time to go on to the next rosin thing I got. So give me a second. So this right here is a Play live rosin. This is the Dulce de Uva hash rosin pod. So I believe this live rosin one right here is flower rosin. This is hash rosin. It's got a little bit darker color. I've almost gotten halfway finished with this one. It's testing in at 79.34% THC, and this one is manufactured by the company I actually went to, Oswell, I don't know how I say that, but these little guys, this one actually I enjoy a lot more. This Dulce de Uva, it's a lot like more of a richer taste. It has a lot bolder of a cannabis note to it. It has a lot more funkiness and almost like a Kim kind of taste, like the Kim Doggy kind of taste. But yeah, let's go ahead and get another rip off of a vape pen, because these things are awesome. You guys know hash rosin, it's just the way to go. Get a nice little blinker in there for you guys. These things are so smooth. They give you the nice kind of lung punch, but it doesn't like super choke you up and cough you up. It has an amazing taste. Like I said, it's got a very kind of like Kim Doggy, heavy, gassy, skunky taste, and almost like a little bit of like a cheesy taste to it almost at the end. That's probably why I'm liking it so much. And it's almost about to die because I've been ripping on it, so I need to plug this back into the charger, and I guess we're going on to the next item now, huh? So this one's going to be fun. This is the Joint XL, which is a Michigan's grown finest. So this is their hash hole or donut. If you guys don't know, I've been wanting to actually make a hash hole for quite a while. It's 2 grams of flour, 0.5 grams of rosin. It is the sour strain, so Z-O-U-R, sour strain with a runts concentrate, rosin in the center. It's hand rolled by Phantom Rolling Company, so that's kind of cool. You guys get a little picture of what it looks like right there. And what we got here on the back here, it's testing. It doesn't have any of the testing percentages on it right now. Oh, there it is. The flour is testing at 37.81%. Whoa, that's a lot. So that's pretty impressive. I can't wait to smoke this. I'll probably smoke this tonight in the night. But yeah, I'll go on to the gummies because I got some really interesting gummies. And the last thing I got for myself while I was up here was some gummies, and I've already eaten 1.5 packs of these. These are the gummies right here. They're by 5 Star Extracts and True North Confections. This one was their Citrus Splashes, the first one I tried. They're 250 milligram Delta 9 full spectrum cured batter infused gummies, and that was so awesome. And they were doing a sale on these. They were doing like buy two get one for a penny, buy two get the third for a penny. So that's awesome. And like I said, 50 milligrams of THC per dose, and I actually feel these like 20 milligrams of Delta 9, 25 milligrams of Delta 9 would usually feel nothing for me. I feel it out here. You know, you give me a 50 milligram gummy, I feel it. I'm not super baked, but I feel it. You know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't feel that in the like hemp industry. I hate to say it, but it's just true. Also, we have more lab tests right here on the back. This was actually infused with Mac Daddy cured batter. The one I have right here, this one I already ate half of, which I'm about to eat another one probably, is the electric watermelon flavor. Same company, and it is infused with Velvet Gushers cured batter. And the last one I haven't opened up yet, this one is the Tangerine Dream, and this one is with the Mac Daddy cured batter once again. But honestly, these gummies are awesome. They're super relaxing, super calming. You guys saw it on my shorts last night. Took one right before I go to bed. I'll probably take 2 tonight before I go to bed, and then 1 before I leave tomorrow in the morning to go for the flight. So yeah. But I've had a really good time up here in Michigan, guys. I'm super excited. I might be getting to go up here, and I didn't get to go to the Pine Park launch because I drove by the Cookies Dispensary at 1 o'clock because of all the stuff I had to do in the morning, and it was so busy. I was not going to wait in that line. It was like 300 people outside that door. I was not going to wait in that line. Let's be real. That's way too many people. I'm sorry if I let anybody down who's going to be there. But I should be actually coming up here soon. And I actually want to do a video with Ericon and actually get him to drop his products and my store if I do open up a dispensary up here. So maybe we'll have that in the future. Maybe not. But anywho, that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know down in the comments below. I know it's kind of short and kind of cut up and choppy. But yeah, that's really all I have for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I look forward to seeing you when I get back, and I also look forward to possibly moving up here. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.